Right, welcome to Vlogmas day 24, and I'll show you what I've been up to with the Crochet Society blanket. So yes, I'm liking this colour. It's brightened it up a bit because we did have a couple of dull colours, but this lovely peachy orange is very nice. So that's the task, and we have to leave it attached still because we're going to join it and mix it in like we did here with another colour, which will be the end probably. Yes, I'm not sure there, but yes, so it says to see, so we'll see what's in drawer 24. But yes, it's coming on, it's nearly finished. That's great. No baby news, but hopefully I hear from them soon. But yes, so let's open the drawer and then see what colour we're going to have. Right, so 24. Ah, that's nice. It's just a paler version of what we got, really. So that's going to be going on there. And what have we got in here? Oh, some labels, quite a lot of them. And they say, made with love. Made with love. And there's quite a few of them there. So that's nice, I like that. Put that back in the little envelope. So that's good, put that back in there. Right, I'll turn you round. Right, so yes, so I'm going to hopefully get on and do that. I think tonight we're watching Jeremy Clarkson on the Farm. We've watched it before, but my daughter and her boyfriend haven't seen it, so we're going to watch it with them. So I'll be doing that while we're watching. I haven't done any other tasks, and it's 6 o'clock now. I did make these little bags, so for the snow globes to go in, and that goes in there like that. And then put a bit of ribbon round like that one there. So that's for the little girls, and I've got that one for the boys ones. So and they're double-sided, so you could turn them inside out and have them either way. So yeah, so my son and his wife are expecting the baby. They popped round this afternoon, so I didn't get anything done, and still no baby. They're going to her mother's for Christmas Day, and they're coming here for Boxing Day if the baby hasn't come, so we shall see. But she says, you know, no twinges, nothing new, so we'll see. I don't know. It'll come when it wants to, won't it? But yes, so that's it really. It's a short one today. I'm now going to have Chinese with the family and a few drinks, and yeah. So wishing you all a happy Christmas Eve, and if I get a chance, I'll see you tomorrow.